It looks out of Zoom, kind of thing. wait, I get it. Oh, it's disgusting. Wait, I'm getting close up. Oh, shit. Oh. Look. Hear it. Get the meaty bit. It's got flies. Oh, that's disgusting, isn't it? Which bit's the back, bitch? Which bit's the back? Yeah. I love you. The fish? Oh, yeah. Oh, we're the rainbow too in that lot. Liam. Wait. So where that bus stop is and all the buses stop there? Saying. Not good. Look at that sign. Oh. Does it stop there? You did that. Sorry, I didn't mean. What time do you think is the last bus? Nice sunset. 12:30. Or 11. No. The last bus in general. 11:30. Is it actually? Oh, you dropped it. Oh, it's all wet. Well, do you think I'll be able to catch the bus now? 89. It's so warm. Alright, I was just wondering. Hannah's been sitting on it. The one. Well, yeah, what's it called? I just want to check what time the last bus is, because I want to know. How do you zoom in on this? Alright, but... Wait, oh no, yeah. Do you think I've missed the last bus or not? Get the 89. Wait. Okay, thank you. Stand back. Fabric shop, there's no cotton slides. Oh, that's disgusting. I'll zoom in a bit more. Take a pop in here, will you? Kick it a little bit. I don't know. Oh! No, there isn't one that I can find next to the wasps aren't bothered. Well, how can we try that at the tree? Right, that tree there. Right, bye. I mean, possibly. I'm going to be back at 8:30, which means that I've got to leave at 7:30, which means that I've got to get to the bus stop up there before 7:30. Time is it? No. 5 to 7. Are you not going to? Are you going home? Now? Yeah. Just check. What? Can you wait for the bus for me? Well, I'm still videoing this. I'm not sure if it's the last bus or not. Why are you going to stop? Oh, dude! I'm having chicken for tea. Oh, God! Oh, that was terrible. Don't actually a proper climber. Go on then. I was. Carry on. Kick it. Oh, there's wasps on it. Kick it. Are you scared of wasps? You're not scared of a dead chicken. Oh, no, not that way. His guts are going that way. Yeah. All the blood that I kicked out of it. Shit. Oh, Liam! Oh, God, man! Oh! Actually, that's not.